How to make a powerful and natural sexual stimulant that truly works. Learn step by step how to make a homemade sexual stimulant that really works. Nowadays, the search for sexual stimulant is very common, especially by men. You can buy the famous Viagra in the pharmacies or do it yourself as sexual stimulant at home, very simple, and the most important, 100% natural. So with no side effects. What you may not know is that this recipe can be used by men and also by women, since it is 100% natural in calm. The ingredients in this sexual stimulant recipe are simple and can be found easily. The watermelon is a fruit that, besides being tasty, has many nutrients and properties, such as lycopene and citrulline, which are excellent aphrodisiacs. Lemon has properties that help regulate blood pressure, improving the cardiovascular system that will consequently help improving sexual performance. How to make a homemade sexual stimulant? For this recipe, you will need a piece of watermelon that is sufficient to provide 1 liter of pulp, juice from a large lemon squeezed on time. How to prepare? First of all, it is important that the piece of watermelon from which you make the juice contains the white part close to the peel, because those are the parts which contain most of the aphrodisiac substances. To extract the watermelon juice, you can put pieces of in the blender or in a centrifuge. After extracting the juice, you should strain it and put it in a pan to take the fire and leave until it's starting to boil. When it's starting to boil, add the lemon juice and simmer again for about 4 minutes. The important thing is to let it boil until the liquid is reduced by half. Then, turn off the head and allow to cool and then put in a boil. Then, turn off the head and allow to cool and then put into a bottle with lid. Keep it in the fridge. You should drink half a glass in the morning on an empty stomach and half a glass at night before dinner. This drink can be consumed by men and women without any contraindication, being 100% natural. Did you like to learn how to make a homemade sexual stimulant? Make it and prove the results. Share this information. If you enjoyed the video, like and sign up for the channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!